Hi everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back for another video. Today we're doing instant locks. This head was so fun to do because she had so much hair. You guys know I love a lot of hair, so this was so fun. And although she had an undercut, this was almost like 90 locks, so she had pretty much a full head of locks, but she had an undercut because she just has so much hair and it's so beautiful. So here you guys see I have already pre-parted and dried her. Usually I do the instant locks and then I wash and then I retwist, but in her case she wanted me to stretch hers out a little bit, so we pre-parted first. So I'm going to show you guys in real time how long it takes me to do an instant lock, and these are the tools that I'm using. If you've been watching, you're familiar with these tools. You can find them in my Etsy shop, link in the description to everything, how to book, where to buy products, shampoo, everything is in the link in the description. So pretty much when I do it like this, when I pre-part, I start very high on the coiled part because you don't want to have more coil than instant lock, which is what I've been seeing a lot on social media and what clients complain about when they come for us to repair an instant lock job, because there's way more coil than lock. There should not be more than an inch of coil on the client's hair, because if there's more than an inch of coil, then it's not gonna it kind of defeats the purpose, if that makes sense. So we start very high on the coiled part so we can make sure that part is locked and it's just enough for the retwist and it's not half of the lock is the coil, if that makes sense. So pretty much I'm using a triple crochet needle. I alternate between the 0.5 and the 0.75 to make sure I gather it with the 0.75 and then I tighten it with the 0.5. And if the person has pretty loose hair, I go back in with a single needle 0.5 to just make sure everything is polished. So pretty much I go through her head with the 0.5, and as you can see her ends, I fold them in so she can have that locked look. If she wanted curly ends, I would not fold it in. Alright, now that I've basically explained that to you guys, I'll let you guys watch a little time lapse that's coming up. And as I stated before in previous videos, I will be having classes coming up to really detail and teach how I do instant locks. So stay tuned for that. And voila, her instant locks. She absolutely loved them. The fact that she loved them made me so happy and so proud. I loved them because she just has so much hair. It was just amazing, and her results came out beautifully. Her color came out amazing with it as well. It fit her very well, and I was really happy with that install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Any information you might need probably is in the description box of this video, so check it out. Bye guys.